Well, hello, fellers and fellettes. This here is Rick Wilson, and I'm on the road again. And this time I'm gonna do a guitar trip. I don't know if y'all caught that last on the road, but it was about going over to Prattville and going to that City Fest. All right, well, before I went to the City Fest, and I'm sorry I'm jerking around here, but I am in a car and I'm trying to drive and talk to you, so just be quiet and sit there and listen. All right, okay. That sounded ugly. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sound ugly. But anyway, so before we went to Prattville Fest, City Fest, there's a place over in Prattville called Tweed Music Company, okay? And Tweed Music Company takes consignments on usually high-end guitars, and you know, I have several guitars, and right now they're trying to sell one of mine, and it's a beautiful guitar. I played it when I was with Refuge. It's a Alvarez with the Tree of Life going up the fretboard. Beautiful guitar. But anyway, I've got so many guitars, I really don't need it anymore. So actually, I was asked to play with the Praise Band again this weekend, which is Mother's Day. And so, and I appreciate them asking me that, and I would love to. And I've been asked to play the electric guitar. And so while I was over in Prattville last weekend, I went to Tweed's Music, which you're going to have the joy of going in with me in here in a little while. And I played and honestly I don't know how to say it. It's either Godin, Godin. It's a hybrid electrical acoustical guitar. I think they run around, I don't know, around 1100 to 1800. I don't know how much. That is not what I'm paying for it. But anyway, I'll show you a picture of it. And but anyway, they agreed to my price, and I like the guys over there, and so I'm going over there to pick it up right now. It looks like kind of like a Telecaster, but not. But it is all solid wood. But you'll see it. But anyway, that's where I'm headed, and I'm on one of my roads. I've got about an hour drive, and I'll catch up with you in a minute. Well, fellas, I got this. I am at Tweed's, and I'm going to try to record all this to see if, but I want to make sure it's okay with him first. And I'm sure it will be, but we'll see. Alright then, here we go. Ding dong! How you doing? I'm good. Good to see you as well.
I got you ready to go here.
Well, I actually want to play it if you don't mind.
Sure.
I've never heard it hooked up,
Yeah.
so if you don't mind, I'd love to do that.
No, that's perfect. There's you see that kind of green looking cord there? Hanging over there?
Yes.
There's it. We can do this right here.
Alright, fellas, I'm at Tweed's over in Prattville, Alabama. I recommend this place something fierce, mainly because he's got his daddy working on the weekends because he's too lazy to come in here on the weekend. Can you believe that? If you believe that, that's not the truth. What it is, he's probably out gigging and having fun while he's making his daddy work. You understand? Alright, well anyway, That's okay. Did that work out?
Sure.
That's true. Okay. It's true too, ain't it? But anyway, so it's glad. Anyway, this is the guitar I was telling you about on the way over here. Let me tell you a funny story about this. About halfway over here, I already told everybody I wasn't ever going to buy another guitar because my wife wouldn't let me. Well, they're selling a guitar for about the same price that this guitar is going to cost me. So it's going to work out even. Here's the funny story about this deal. Halfway over here, I said, Lord, if you make this deal for me, I want you not to get a ticket coming over here, because I was in a hurry. And I promise you, 5 minutes later, policemen pulled up behind me right before I got into Prattville. You know where the Y is on 14, where you go to the Union Camper here?
Right.
He came right up behind me as fast as he could. And I said, I can't believe, I'm not speeding. And he took the fork. He got out behind me. I was like, all that means is you was listening to me, Lord, wasn't it? You was playing on me. But anyway, I thought that was funny. It scared the britches off of me, but I don't know why to look at that. All right, so I feel the center points of it. I played one of these a week ago. Wasn't the City Fest last week? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I came over here and Dale was here then because his son was playing at City Fest just right down the road. So that was the group that what was the name of it?
Blackbird Pickers.
Blackbird Pickers. I don't know why I was thinking Crows, but that's another band. Medicine Crows. Anyway, the Blackbird Pickers. So if y'all get a chance, they're on the internet too, I think. I know that they're on the Tweed. They're on the Tweed.
They have a website.
Yeah. Okay, so they have a website. Look them up, and then after you get through doing that, then come here and buy a guitar. All right? Because that's what I'm fixing to do. And look here, I told my wife about it, and she was okay with it since they're selling my other one. So you got to learn how to negotiate. All right? And it don't hurt to say, well, I was going to play it Sunday. You know, the Lord ain't going to be happy if I don't have me a nice guitar to play. See, when you do that, well, that's what happens. So anyway, let's see what this thing sounds like. Play a little blues on it. Let's see here. Not that. I like it. Let's see what we do about the sound. Looks good here. Oh, it's real diverse. I'm going to have to learn how not to hit on the humbucker. You hear that pop. So if I play back here, because I'm used to playing up here, so that's going to be different. and there's a lot that I can clean up in the mix in the studio. So I like it. It's light. Now, I see it takes a battery, which is another good thing because the Fender high-end one has a charging cable, which means it has a battery inside it that you have to replace maybe 5 years from now. And maybe 5 years from now they don't have that battery. That's a problem. This one takes a 9 volt. I'm good with that. So, and it's also got the different electronics in, bolt-on neck. I love that. That means I can adjust it. I don't have to worry about somebody like your lazy son.
Sure.
I'm kidding, Matt. I know you're gonna watch this. You're not lazy. You're one of my good people, man. I love you, bro. All right, I'm just picking at you. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, fellas, let's take it home and do some recording with it. All right, fellas, I'm fixing to leave, but right now I want to do a little runabout about the store. He sells on consignment, so get with him. And if you've got some guitars like I do, he's more than willing to negotiate what you two can come up with for a price. And he's got everything from basses to mandolins to I just showed the mandolin over there and it's not there anymore. To bass guitars, to mandolins, to jazz, hollow bodies, to you name it. This is the guitar that I play mostly right there. It's a Jaguar, and I was actually going to play a Jaguar Sunday, and then I got to thinking about it. And so, oh, and there's my other guitar right there. That's Jazz Master Mustang. But all these are all real Fenders, and they're beautiful. And so over here we've got that's Phillips Phillips Hummingbird. I used to play that when me and Philip gigged together when I was in college. That's his guitar, Philip Morgan. And I know you're watching Philip, so it's still hanging up and they ain't sold it yet. Just letting you know. Okay, and then we have there's a Martin bass. Those are awesome. And wow, there's a nice looking guitar. In fact, this guitar right here is probably the best one in this whole building. It's right there. And if you buy it, I would appreciate it because it's mine. All right, so then we got all these, and what is a really super Gibson. I'm assuming that's a, I don't know, it's not a master built, but it's a very old one. It looks like it was made probably in the 60s. And then right here we got an Epiphone Gibson, and they're in excellent shape, both of them. And so you can come here and get strings. You can come here and you can laugh with this guy because he's awesome. His name is Dale, and he will certainly take your money just like Dale does if he was here. I mean, just like Matt was if he was here, but he's being lazy gigging today, but that's okay. That's okay. How about these? Oh, look at the Alabama flag. That is awesome. I love this room. This is a practice room. They also teach guitar here. What in the world is that? That is a gas can bass. That is awesome. Okay, he's going to have to let me play that one day, all right? I love that, man. I see it's got I think that's an Epi neck on it. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's awesome. All right, and then the next room, here's another. This is, like I said, they teach guitar here. You're welcome to come in here and make appointments for that. We've got drums in here. What are the drums for? Okay, they teach drums as well. That is awesome. I did not know this. But I love the fact that in this room they have an American flag. Awesome. I love me some America. And also some Hank Williams and other people as well. This is a waiting room. This is awesome. And right here is where they keep all the cases and stuff. And who's Sickmo? Sycamo.
That's Matt's kid, man.
Can I call him Sycamo?
Say that again?
Can I call him Sycamo?
He would probably answer.
Okay, all right. And so we have an exploded view of, that looks more like a Triumph motor. Is that a Triumph? see. No, it's a Ducati. Okay. Okay, well, that's good. I don't see very many Ducatis. All right, so it looks good, and there it is. There's the reason why me and my wife are divorcing. That's not true. It's not true. She gave me blessing on this one, and apparently so did the Lord, since they didn't pull me over on the way up here. Hey, listen, guys. Like I said before, if you get a chance to come over here, at least just come over and take a look at this stuff. I'm telling you, it'll grow a hankering on you. I'm telling you, you'll really like this. These super guys. There's more people in here usually. Today is Saturday, so like I said, Matt's out probably playing or buying or whatever it is, but he works every day, every week. Come in and meet him. He would love to meet you as well. Super guy, super family. You did well by him, by the way.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, and so this is Dale. This is his daddy. Okay, if I hadn't already said that, and he's the one that worked and brought me all the way over here from Selma to pick up this guitar, and I really, really appreciate it. Now, if you want to see me play that guitar, you'll have to tune into Elkdale Baptist Church this Sunday, Mother's Day, and you will see me up there playing it. All right? What do you think of that?
Sounds good to me. Be sure to watch him tomorrow.
All right, man. I'll see y'all later, and this has been Rick Wilson on the road, and do something good for God to let him know you love him back. All right? Y'all be sweet.